If you're passionate about cars and smart automotive upgrades, this video is for you. We explore top-tier vehicle lighting solutions. Before you buy any car fog lights, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best car fog lights of 2026, based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews, so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the C-Light F1 series car fog lights. These high-intensity bulbs represent a massive leap forward for drivers who frequently battle dangerous road conditions like heavy downpours or thick morning mist. Equipped with an array of 54 advanced LED chips and a specialized convex lens, they generate 400% more light than standard factory halogens. The rugged construction utilizes 6,063 aviation-grade aluminum and high-temperature rubber seals, earning it a prestigious IP68 waterproof rating for use in the harshest environments. You won't need to worry about complex modifications because they are designed to fit perfectly into H11, H8, or H16 housings with a simple click. With a rated lifespan of 30,000 hours, they provide years of dependable service while significantly reducing the risk of fatigue during long night drives. These bulbs are the ultimate choice for those seeking professional-grade resilience paired with a focused, powerful beam that illuminates every detail of the road ahead. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice, the Mars Auto car fog lights. If you are looking for a crisp, modern aesthetic and incredible coverage, these bulbs deliver a stunning 6,500K cool white light using 60 high-density LED chips. They are capable of pumping out 12,000 lumens, which provides a 600% increase in brightness compared to the lackluster bulbs your car likely came with. The innovative cooling architecture features precision-cut grooves in the aluminum body to facilitate rapid airflow, ensuring the electronics stay cool for over 50,000 hours. An upgraded internal CANbus system is standard, which effectively prevents dashboard error codes and eliminates annoying radio interference while you listen to your favorite music. The 1:1 size match to factory halogens means you can complete the entire installation in just 3 minutes without any specialized mechanical knowledge. It's a beautifully balanced option for modern car and truck owners who want high-output lighting that is both easy to install and built to last for the long haul. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option, the Oxydo car fog lights. These high-efficiency lighting units utilize premium CSP LED technology to project a brilliant 6,000 lumen beam that is 3 times more powerful than a traditional halogen setup. The fanless, all-in-one aviation aluminum chassis is a standout feature, providing completely silent operation while managing heat through advanced material conductivity. By mimicking the precise 1:1 filament positioning of original bulbs, they create a sharp and uniform beam pattern that eliminates dangerous dark spots and shadows. Installation is a breeze for any DIYer, as the non-polarity, plug-and-play design fits 99% of vehicle housings in under 10 minutes. With an IP65 waterproof rating, you can rely on these lights to stay bright and clear even during the most violent rainstorms or winter blizzards. They are an exceptional choice for drivers who want a noiseless, high-performance upgrade that prioritizes road safety and clear visibility without the complication of moving cooling parts. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out, the Thermiter car fog lights. As a true marvel of modern lighting engineering, these 9005 HB3 bulbs boast a staggering 50,000 lumen output that is roughly 900% brighter than stock lighting. To manage this immense power, the design incorporates a copper baseboard and a high-speed active cooling fan housed within an aviation aluminum frame for maximum heat dissipation. The ultra-slim 0.03-inch chip spacing ensures that the massive light output is perfectly focused, preventing the light from scattering into the eyes of oncoming drivers. This robust cooling system guarantees an industry-leading 70,000 hours of stable, flicker-free performance in almost any temperature or weather condition. These bulbs are fully CANbus ready, ensuring they integrate seamlessly with modern vehicle computers without triggering any annoying dashboard warnings or system errors. If you frequently navigate pitch-black rural roads or unlit highways, the sheer power and durability of these bulbs will give you unparalleled confidence and safety behind the wheel. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the C-Light car fog lights. This particular model is highly regarded for its full 360-degree illumination, which is made possible by 27 high-quality LED chips meticulously arranged on each individual bulb. The advanced optical lens is specifically engineered to project light further down the road, providing a wider field of view without causing excessive glare for other motorists. Because they are identical in size to standard halogens, you can enjoy a quick and effortless 10-minute installation without needing any external decoders or special tools. The one-piece aluminum construction acts as a massive heat sink, allowing the internal components to operate at peak efficiency for over 30,000 continuous hours. They are compatible with a wide range of popular models like 9145 and H10, making them a versatile and bright solution for anyone facing low visibility conditions. These bulbs offer a significant jump in brightness and safety, while keeping the upgrade process simple and accessible for every type of vehicle owner. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive products, car gadgets, and honest reviews. Got a product you want us to review? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.